Well, good morning,
Random things I do.
YouTube, Facebook, family, and friends. It's a wonderful day. Beautiful outside. My son's having a family day at work. And I'm headed over there to where he works at. I'll probably take a few pictures and stuff while I'm there. Put it on here. But it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Everybody else have a wonderful day and hang in there because it's not over yet. It's just starting. Okay, I'll get ready to pull out here on the road, so I'll be back with you shortly at the family day at my son's workplace. Well, now that was pretty quick. I mean, I don't live but two miles away from here where he works at. And by the time I got here, there ain't no food left. They've done ate it all up. And even my grandson, poor old Jackson, he's sitting down there like they didn't give me nothing either. So we both missed out, didn't we, buddy? They got a DJ here. They got all kinds of blow-up toys for kids. And we're going to have to take Jackson out there and just send him down the slide one time. Whee, down all the way down. He ain't quite big enough to be riding on that stuff. But say, give me time, I will, Papa. Say, I will. Alrighty. There he is. I was just telling everybody you ate all the food. In just the 2 miles I had to drive over here, y'all done put away all the food. All right, I'm now being forced to eat this food. Oh yeah. Oh, it got me by the arm twisting it. Yeah, okay. All right, people. There's quite a few people here. Oh yeah. What's it like to be at work and not have to work?
Every day.
Every day? Oh, okay. Okay. You heard it? Okay. Yeah, family day. Whoops. There we are. There we are. Jackson come to family day, to Daddy and Mama's family day at work. Yeah. Say howdy, folks. Say hello, YouTube, Facebook. Say we're having fun. Hey, yeah. Oh, you heard a can pop. Oh, hey. Alrighty. Now this is the kind of place you want to work. Look at this. Who has time to work? I mean, they got drinks, ice cream, Lordy. I mean, they got sandwiches and biscuits. I mean, nobody getting no work done around here. Look at this. This sure isn't a place to work for Weight Watchers. You know it? This sure ain't a place to work for Weight Watchers. What? Going that way? Go. Why don't you go first? Here we're gonna go take a tour of the plant. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. This where Papa works? Huh? Smells funny in here. Somebody's brakes are locked up.
This is assembly remote card. It's usually real hot in here when all these machines are on.
Taking a walk. You have to speak through up loud so the microphone can pick you up. Yeah. We're taking a walk, stroll through the plant. Huh. Now what is that? What is that right there?
That's for the golf cart. They make golf cart brakes.
They make golf carts?
Brakes.
Brakes for golf carts.
They're robots.
Everybody's straggling along.
He's on the bouncy thing.
He's on the bouncy. Oh, they got signs, tour path.
That first section is assembly, and then this is machine.
This is machine. Them are ovens, ain't they?
No, they're drill.
Real.
They're machines that drill holes. See the parts with the holes in them?
Yeah.
At first they don't have holes.
Oh, they don't have holes to start with, huh?
That's what they look like before.
That's before the holes are drilled in them. But they cast them here too, right?
Yeah, I run 12 of these machines out of 20.
That's where you work, right here?
Yeah, down this road.
Well, where'd Monica go? She was just here.
She just got the drink. There's your X-ray machine.
X-ray machines. In case you get hurt, you can get in there. See what's
Yeah.
the matter.
And that's quality.
Quality.
Yeah.
Quality control.
They test the quality. And they X-ray them and make sure there's no void.
Oh yeah. And I thought I saw a bunch of snack machines. They even got them back here in the back. There ain't nobody working around here. Boy, Weight Watchers would have a ball here.
This is all numbers. How many we do. How many parts we run every day.
Hard hat area. Well, it's a big plant, that's for sure. Well, I think I showed you enough of the plant without boring you. But we're only about halfway through, so unless I see something really interesting, I won't put you through no more of this. We done passed where he works at anyway. We're gonna go back here and This is worse than what. This is about as bad as watching me wash the car, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, catch up with you in a little bit. Caution, go slow. I got that part down already. Sound horn. That's what it says. Honk, honk. What does that do? That's the melter. That's one big oven. Boy, that's grinded up some stuff right there now. They melt that back down. Use it again, don't they? Yeah, no waste. And the longest throw. Oh, man. So you got to do this now so he can watch, so he'll know when he gets older how to do it. Well, they've got a petting zoo. Oh, we got a little pig. Pig scratching the behind parts.
She's gonna break right now. Right here, much better. Look at the pig.
This is life in Walker County. This is where my son works. And they're having family day here in Walker County. A lot of entertainment for children. Ball, bouncy things, ball things, cornhole, all kinds of stuff. Petting zoo for the youngins.
It's further than. It's like further than 15.
That's what's going on here in Walker County today. All right, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Bobby, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Go home. You got to go to sleep because your blue eyes, you went to sleep on me a while ago. Yeah, you did. Them little eyes are all like they're about to close.
All right.
Love you. Random things I do. I'm headed back to the house now. Gotta feed all the animals. I'll just take you with me. And when I get there, next thing you know, you're gonna be in the barn. And just like that, we're at the barn. All these chickens are fed, and the turkeys. I'm filling the water thing back up to its max. Hey, duckies, y'all finished eating y'all's? All of these in here now been fed, watered. Hello, Mr. Bunny. Yeah. Yeah, ain't you? Okay. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. All the ones over here, they've all been fed. They could go outside if they wanted to. They don't want to. And here's Mama. And there's her babies. Here. Yeah. Hey, Mama, I'm not going to bother your babies. I'm not going to bother your babies. See? I'm just going to pet this one just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Ain't they pretty cute little things? Yeah.
Random things I do.
They've got water, and I fed them all. Y'all just tearing that up. Yeah, that big one right there. That breast keeps getting bigger than that. You're gonna be dinner. Just keep on eating. There's Mama over there by herself. Ain't got no babies with her. Well, oh, I got ducks underneath my vehicle. Okay. Well, I want to check on the cows. I ain't spotted them yet. Let's see if I can spot them. And then I can call this. I gotta turn the water off. There's them guineas. I'm surprised. They usually know I turn on the video down here and start screaming, making all kinds of noise. Okay, I gotta turn the water off. Sorry, folks. There's another one right there. There, y'all got some good clean water now. Okay. Hello, Mr. Turkey. Miss Turkey, you're Miss Turkey, I bet you. Well, just like that. Seemed awful fast, didn't it? Yeah. I come down here and did it all before I turned the video back on and showed them to you. But they're all fed and watered. There goes them guineas. See, they finally spotted me. And they go like, oh, he's got that camera in his hand. Let's make some noise. All right. I got to get them out from underneath my truck. Pull on out of here. Got other things to do. All right. Only got 2 cows here at the house. Mama and her baby. Walk down here and see if we see her on this end. I didn't see her out on the front pasture when I came in. I'm sure, because it's nearly 90. It's about 90 degrees. And I'm sure she's found her a nice shady place to lay down. Yeah, I don't see her there. They're down there in them trees somewhere. They found them a cool spot. All right. That's it for right now. There's random things I do. Be doing this all week. And everything's quiet on the home front here. I'll probably take care of the ducks in the morning, or I mean the night. Take care of them. Had them some more water on tonight. They look like they're okay for right now. That way they'll be good in the morning. Anyway, random things I do. All right, ducks, get off under my truck. See if that run them out. Crank it up and cut it off. Yeah, here they come. See these ducks come out. Hope the rest of them did. Let's listen real close. All right, y'all stay on the sidelines. Don't give them away. Yeah. All right, I'll see y'all after a while. I'll see you about nightfall, okay? Hey, tell them chickens to lay more eggs. I need a whole bunch of them tonight. There they go. They're going to have a talk with the chickens. All right, we'll be back. Well, I've been pretty tired today, but I've kind of made it a pretty slow day. I hadn't done much of anything today. I just, let's recap up to this point. Let's see. I went to my son's workplace there for their family gathering. Stopped by the fruit stand for a little while. Let her do some watering. While I help her take care of the customers too. Wouldn't have to stop and start over and over. Get a little bit of that done. Then I fed the animals, all except for the dog and cat. I'm not going to do them till later on this evening. Do them when the dog don't want to be out in this heat anyway. It's so hot. He's up under a tree or up under the house somewhere. He's a night animal anyway. I'll feed them this evening when I make my last trip to the barn. I fed the animals once already. Oh, it's been a slow day. I got some things I got to do in the camper. And got to take that fan out of that exhaust fan down out of the bathroom and see if I can track a wiring problem down or a switch problem. But just hadn't started yesterday losing a lot of energy, so the day's been one of those days too, so just been kind of taking it easy. Maybe after it cools off later this evening I'll have more energy, but it's just been one of them days. Hope everyone else is buzzing around, staying cool, and taking care of business. I do have some plans for Monday to get quite a bit done, hopefully, what I want to get done. See, we'll just have to wait and see. And I think this weekend is just going to be a relaxing weekend. I went for several days there pretty hard and had the energy to do it, so I took advantage of it. Might have took a little too much advantage. Anyway, other than collecting eggs and checking on the animals, and I want to go check the incubator because there was a duck egg starting to hatch yesterday. So I want to see how that's going. Scott said he could hear it in there clicking, quacking, clicking, making noises. So next few days there'll be a few more baby ducks to go in the brooder out down there. It's all set up and ready to go. All I gotta do is flip the heat lamp switch on for them. As hot as it is today, I don't think they're gonna need that. Well, they really wouldn't need it, but just in case. Nights get a little cooler. But yeah, hang in there with me. I'll be back. I gotta go close the store up this evening, and I'll take care of what's left to take care of and collect the eggs, and I think I'll be calling it quits then and for the night. But I gotta get up here. I will go to sleep right here, sitting right here. So I gotta get up and get to moving. And don't follow my example. Get up. Don't sit down and let your eyes start to close. You got stuff to do. All right. See you in a little bit. Random things I'm not doing. Okay. Okay. Here we are out at the incubator this afternoon. I'm going to take a little peek and see if any duckies have hatched. Oh, there's one little ducky. Out there. One little ducky. Yeah. Can you see him, maybe? He's right there. I think I'm gonna move into the bottom tray. Hold on. Cause he looks like he might be a little stuck. Are you stuck, buddy? Look at that. Got one little ducky. I think you got hung up in that thing there. Now let's put you down here. There. Still. Oh yeah. I don't know. You look like you might have got hung up in that tilt, in that clip there. Just let you dry a little more. I'll be back to get you. Oh yeah. Hell, one little ducky hatched. Looked like he might have got the thing tilts itself. It looked like he might have got himself hung up in that tilt back there in that corner. Time will tell. Hopefully he'll make it. But he's the only one so far. But I'm sure that wasn't the only one put in there by itself. Those others were put in there at the same time. So they should be more hatching. Well, it might be dark when I come back and get the eggs, but I gotta run to the dollar store. Hadn't seen Tank today. It's cooled off a lot out here now. He should be out. Who knows about that dog? He might be still laying up under the house somewhere. Alrighty, as you saw, we got one new baby duck. Let's just put our good hopes in there for him that he makes it. Being up under there, it's not going, hopefully not a bad thing. Okay, talk to you in a little bit when I go get the eggs. Alright, jeepers. I got like 19 eggs. You ducks didn't help at all. The chickens had to do all the work. Okay. Yeah. Good night, y'all. Well, I told the ducks and the chickens good night. So, guess it's time to tell y'all the same thing. It's random things I do. 19 eggs, that wasn't bad. And wish y'all a good night. Many blessings. Random things I do. See you tomorrow.